Hey guys, welcome back to 234 En La Casa. Today we're going to be making butter cookies, and these are not your traditional butter cookies, you know, the ones that are hard and that break apart. No, these are going to be ooey gooey butter cookies, an old time recipe. You're going to really enjoy it. The hardest part about this recipe is the 2 hours you have to put the dough in the refrigerator for, and that's the most difficult part. This is going to be really fast, a really simple, easy cookie. First, you're going to need a cake mix. I'm going to be using butter golden. You can use any vanilla cake mix, French vanilla butter, yellow cake mix, and any brand that you would like to use is fine. Okay, once you got your cake mix added to your mixing bowl, you're going to want to get 1 stick of butter. Make sure that your butter is room temperature. Add the entire stick to your mixing bowl. Next, you're going to be adding an 8-ounce block of full-fat cream cheese. The thing I love about this recipe is you just dump everything in. So we're going to be adding a teaspoon of vanilla and 1 room temperature large egg. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get this mixed together. Stop the mixer midstream and get your sides and underneath your bowl scraped down. You can do this recipe with a hand mixer as well. This is what your dough is going to be looking like once you get through mixing it. You're going to cover this with plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. It has been 2 hours, and you want to make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then make sure you have yourself a cookie sheet. You can put parchment paper on there, or you can use a baking mat. And make sure to get yourself some powdered sugar. We're going to need powdered sugar to roll our dough in. All right, so here's our chilled cookie dough, and you're gonna just get a spoon or an ice cream scoop. You're gonna roll this into a small ball, and you're gonna take your powdered sugar. You're just gonna put powdered sugar all over your cookie dough. You're going to place your cookie dough on your cookie sheet. You can either roll your dough in powdered sugar with your hands, or you can use a spoon to get your dough covered in the powdered sugar. Just whatever's easiest for you. It's less messy to use the spoon for sure. So once you have your cookies all ready and on the cookie sheet, you're going to place them in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. All right, y'all, so this is what they look like right out of the oven. I'm going to give y'all a close-up of a few of them so you can see. See that? They stand up real tall. These are some of the best cookies. Here's another one. And that's what the bottom is like, okay? And that's what they're gonna look like when they're dusted on top with the powdered sugar. They look like little buttery pillows. Look at that one. Gotta dust that one with powdered sugar too. These are gonna be your ooey gooey butter cookies. Let them cool for just a minute, and then I'll show you what they look like on the inside. If you'd like to turn the rest of your butter cookie dough into pecan toffee cookie dough, I think I have about enough dough left for maybe a dozen of those cookies. You're going to add some chopped pecans. That's about 1/3 cup of chopped pecans. I base that on the amount of cookie dough that I have left. And then we're gonna add some Heath English toffee bits. This is gonna be about 1/3 cup. If you want more than that, you can add more than that. I'm just gonna do 1/3 cup. And so we're going to combine this, just fold everything in. Form these into a ball just like before. Place your dough on your cookie sheet. We'll bake these at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. So these are going to be your pecan and toffee bits cookies. They just came out of the oven. This is one. I'm going to turn it over so you can see what it looks like underneath. This is what it looks like on top. That's the inside. You can see the pecans there. There you go. The cookie with the pecans and the toffee bits. That is good. Absolutely excellent. Well, I will see you all next time here at 234 En La Casa. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I'll see you next time.